Question number 18. State the difference in colors of the sun observed during sunrise or sunset and noon. Give explanation for each. During sunrise and sunset, sun is red in color, while at noon the sun appears white. At the time of sunrise and sunset, the sun is near the horizon. The rays from the sun have to travel a much larger part of the atmosphere to reach an observer on Earth. So it has to pass from the denser layer. So most of the blue light gets scattered away. The red color, which has the largest wavelength, is scattered the least and enter into our eyes. And hence the sun appears red at the time of sunrise and sunset. At noon, the sun is nearly overhead. The sunlight has to pass through much smaller portion of the Earth's atmosphere, so the scattering is much less and the sun looks white. Thank you.